But one of the things that in business-wise that I see, it always seems to be the death sentence, to me at least, is when you don't do one thing really well, right? And then you try to do other things. Like fast food's a good example of this. Like Raising Cane's chicken, right? I was telling Shane this other day, you go to a Raising Cane's chicken and all they have on their menu is chicken fingers. That's it. You can't get a salad. You can't get nothing. They do chicken fingers really well. They won't even give you ketchup. You're like, hey, can I get ketchup? You can get our Raising Cane sauce. I know, but can I get some ketchup? No, we don't do ketchup.
Really?
What do you mean you don't do ketchup? They only do that. And there's a line around the building.
Yo, step to my click and get overrun. The weight on my shoulder feels like a ton. This is all I want, fuck a one-on-one. This termination, no vacation. Vibration, create a creation that has nothing to do with religion. It's all part of an intricate system.